thanks for tuning in. My name is Audrey. I'm the owner of Piping Hot Artworks, also known as PH, and I am the original DIY diva. So today I am going to be showing you how to put together your industrial toilet paper stand.
Ooh! Ah!
Once again, thank you so much for being a customer of ours, and if you're interested in more industrial decor or fun DIY projects, subscribe to this channel below and keep tuning in. Thanks. So as you can see, the box comes pretty much basic box with label. Everything should be taped and secured. So we are going to begin with our first piece, which is this lovely little Y. I'm going to go ahead and set it down on a surface that it potentially won't scratch. So I've got a moving blanket that I set it upon. You are going to go ahead and next grab your next piece, which is this one right here. And you can see that there's threading on either side of the pipes. It's okay that this isn't painted black completely to the end because it's going to be screwed into our piece. Never use tools, always use your hands. And what you're going to do is just lightly line up the threads and gently twist the piece together. Now for this one, we want the faucet to be in the center of our Y or our V right there. Okay, our second to last piece is this one right here. You can clearly see there's the back to it, then there's the front. We are going to gently twist this on, just like the other pieces, using our hands. And you can have a little bit of tension to it, but for the most part, it's fine being a little bit loose. It's not gonna fall apart instantly. Now the arms are pushed down. You can go ahead and just apply some elbow grease, some DIY elbow grease to your piece until it's level. Maybe be a little bit off because I'm standing behind it right now, but we will check on it again later. And then the last piece is your gauge. Please, please, please make sure you're only touching the sides, the black back and the black sides. Never put your fingers on the glass. They tend to be a little bit delicate. So if you don't want to crack it, don't use your fingers on it or use a wrench. Okay, that's it. Our piece is finished. So go ahead and add toilet paper to each of your areas. You will never run out of toilet paper in the middle of the night again. Hence the reason why I came up with this idea. So please tune into our channel. Hit subscribe at the bottom if you are interested in some more industrial pipe art, or if you would like to do some DIY projects with me. And if you found this video helpful, please, please, please like it at the bottom. Thank you so much. Have a good one.